Okay, so I'm impressed so far. There's the best of the best, the Tuscan Dreams, the collection. You have your baked foundation, you have a jelly lip balm, and you have not one, but two and three brush sets. Well, four, I guess, 4 pieces. So I'm going to be trying this out. You guys stay tuned, and if you've tried this Laura Geller product before, can you let me know what you guys think of it? I'm new to it, so share your knowledge. Okay, thanks you guys. Let's just try this because I got nothing else better to do at the moment. So I'm going to start with my foundation. Use the airbrush Kabuki brush for your foundations. All right, let's give this a shot, guys. I have no idea how this is going to work, but we'll do one side here and see what it's like. Now, I did read, someone was saying that they didn't find a lot of coverage with this, and I don't think you're supposed to, but the response from Laura Geller's team was that it is buildable, so that you can add layers of this on if you want more coverage. Okay, so I already have my skincare on this side. It's not doing a whole lot of coverage, but I don't actually need a whole lot of coverage. Let's try stippling this. Guys, I'm seeing lines here all of a sudden. I never had lines there. I don't smoke. Let's take a look and see what this is like. Okay, so you can still see a little bit of red. This is my normal skin, okay? This is what I look like. And then there's this. That's actually, what do you guys think? That's kind of impressive. Let's put a little bit more. Let's just do the rest of the face now, shall we? I'm kind of impressed. Okay, that's kind of impressive. Hang on a second, guys, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so let's try the bronzer. So this is called Roman Holiday, and it's this one right here. I'm gonna use the bigger end. Definitely is light. Takes a bit to see it, but I'm starting to see it now. Okay, and then I'm going to pinch the bristles. Okay, and then let's kind of go up here a little bit. And I like to also go along my jawline. Okay, let's try the angled brush with the blusher. And this is in the color Starfish Island. Ooh. Okay, now I'm just going to use, I think I'm just going to use my finger on the highlighter, the French Vanilla. Oh, it's pretty, just a nice little shimmer. guys can see that shimmer on this side. Very pretty. Okay, now let's try some eyeshadows here. What have we got? Let's try the Sabia. I like the names on here, you guys. Okay, I'm just going to grab just a flat brush here, Sabia. Just kind of as my base. Feels fun doing makeup again, guys. I didn't realize I had a filter on in that first thing, so this is me without the filter. Okay, now let's grab, I'm gonna grab Gusto, which is this one here. No, maybe I'm just gonna grab Elba, which is this pretty purple. I'm just gonna kind of okay. You guys, I know my page is mostly about wigs, but how do you guys feel about me introducing some makeup or skincare or something? I'm having fun finding myself again, you guys, and I just want to share this part with you. I hope you guys don't mind. Okay, that's pretty. It's just light. All right, I'm just gonna grab my mascara. And I've got some new lashes I want to try too, so. My favorite clusters, the company I used to buy them from, they don't sell them anymore. So I'm on the journey to find lashes. I really do love the clusters. I find them so much easier to wear, and you can keep them on for like 7 days to 2 weeks, depending on the quality. The other thing I've noticed too, since menopause and getting older, is my lashes are really disappearing, and I didn't have much for lashes to start with. So I was like, oh, no, don't disappear. I need them. So that's why I'm really leaning into the, what do you guys think? That's why I'm really leaning into lashes lately. So, okay, let's pull this up and forward. So this is the full face of Laura Geller. What do you guys think? I think it's really nice. It feels really light, like it's just a powder. There's nothing heavy. Maybe blend that in a little bit more, Brenda. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know. And again, if you guys have comments or suggestions on more Laura Geller products or something different, please let me know, because this mature skin gal needs to find something. So, all right, love you guys. And again, I hope you don't mind me sharing this with you. This is just an extension to my journey now as well. I'm finding myself, and I'm having fun with it. So I love you guys, and have a great, great day.